Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the class. Yes, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the class. Shall we discuss few important MCQ problems, questions, and also some problems also. Then I will finish today the spherical mirror and lens everything. Almost the sign what we are using, mirror and lens both also same. That's why I can go fast because everything I explained in the mirror. Only few important points are there. That one I will explain here. Yes, hi everyone. Shall I start the class? Yes, good evening once again. Yes, only 1 hour I will take, 7:15 to 8:15. I sent the link at 7 o'clock only. I don't know why they delayed. They given to you late. I am waiting from last 10 minutes. If you are not received the link, if I start live classes, maybe you are not able to join at that time. Okay, that's for delay of 10 minutes. Okay, next, sign convention for spherical lenses. Sign convention for spherical lenses, almost it will be same as a spherical mirror. Here sign conventions are similar to one used for spherical mirror, except the measurement are taken from the optical center. Normally in the lens, if we consider optical, we will consider the optical center, but in the mirror we will consider the pole. The center point is the pole in the mirror, but optic center is the center point in the case of a lens. Only that one is the main difference. Then lens formula, you can observe the change here. 1 by V minus 1 by U, it will be equal to 1 by F. Here in the case of a mirror, you had a positive sign here, but here you can observe a negative sign. And also here magnification M, it will be equal to V by U. Here no negative sign. This one is same, but this is, it does not have any negative sign, it will be positive. Everything we what is mean by magnification, everything. Only you have to remember the lens formula, this one, and magnification formula, this one. Then sign, whatever we are considering, in front of the lens we will consider negative sign, back side of the lens we will consider the positive sign. That everything it will be same. Then above the lens we will consider positive height, below the lens we will consider the negative height. That also it will be same in the case of a mirror. Let us solve the problem, then you will come to know. Then next important topic is there, one more small one. What is mean by power of a lens? Can you tell anyone hi? Here till 8 or there in the live, but I can't see who is there, who is not there. At least I can see the name. Those who are like regular students are there. Who is there? At least I can come to know. No, tell me hi. Okay, then power of a lens, because live classes I can't see you. At least you can see me. Whether how many are watching continuously live, then how many are there also. Numbers I know, but who is there, who is not there, I don't know, no? That's why. Okay, Rashmi, Meghana, Pratibha, Radhika. Oh, everyone are my regular students only. Okay. Then what is mean by power of a lens? Power of a lens is nothing but reciprocal of focal length in meter. Hi, Prema. Then here, remember power of a lens is nothing but the reciprocal of a focal length. Power, it will be equal to 1 by F. The degree of convergence or divergence of light rays is expressed in terms of a power. What is mean by definition of a power? What is mean by power? Already I told, the convergence means all the light rays, they will meet at a single point. That one we will call it as a convergence. Divergence means The imaginary rays, they will appear to meet at a single point. Okay, then the degree of convergence and divergence, that one we will measure, no, that one we will consider as a power of a lens. Okay, then what is the SI unit of power of a lens? Diopter, you can tell. P is silent here. Then it is indicated by capital D. Always power we will measure in terms of meter. Remember here, if they are given in terms of centimeter, you have to convert in terms of meter. Power always we will measure in terms of a meter. That is the SI unit, meter. SI unit of power is diopter, but this one we will measure in terms of a meter. 1 diopter is the power of lens whose focal length is 1 meter. What is the definition of 1? Yes, Sajida. Okay, everyone are good evening once again. Okay, concentrate here. What is mean by power of a lens? The degree of convergence or divergence of a lens, we will consider a power of a lens. Then next one, everything this is very simple one, remember. Then this one, power of a lens in the case of a convex lens is positive, the same as focal length. Remember focal length sign, it will be same as power. Okay, focal length of a concave lens is negative, like that. Power of a concave lens is negative, then power of a convex lens, then focal length of a convex lens is positive. Remember that one. Then power is 1 by focal length, 1 by focal length or thickness. Then here power of a lens, how we, if you are having 2 3 lens, then how you will calculate the power? Simply add all the powers, you will get the total power. Okay, remember that one. Power of a convex lens is positive, same as the focal length. Remember the focal length, then that it will be same as the power. This already I included a repeated slide. Okay, then this also lens formula 1 by V 1 by F magnification. Then this I included concave convex lens difference, but this one already I explained everything. Then what is the image formation in concave convex, everything I explained in detail. Better I make it as a column, you can revise that one. I will read, I will not explain more because already I explained. Next, the first one, they are given the definition of a concave lens, convex lens. They are thicker at the edges, thinner at the center. Here they are thin at the center and thick at the edges. Then concave lens, always it will form a virtual image. Then convex lens, it will form a real as well as virtual image. Both also it will form convex. But concave, always it will form a virtual image. Then that virtual image is erect, it means left right it will become like ulta. Then smaller in size, okay, erect and also smaller in size. Maybe you can't see, that's why I'm reading, but if you observe properly you can see. Next one, convex and erect, inverted, small as well as magnified image can be formed as per the distance of the object from the mirror. Okay, next one, this one we will consider as a diverging lens, this one we will consider as a converging lens, concave convex. Then concave we will use in the short sightedness, myopia, I will explain. Yes, Radhika, I told this one is not clear. I took from the some website. In there also, it is blurred only. That's why I'm reading. Okay. Then only this slide. Okay, next one, used to correct long sightedness, hypermetropia. This already I explained. Only last point I not explained. See, concave mirror we will use to correct short sightedness or myopia. Then convex lens we will use to correct long sightedness or hypermetropia. In detail I will explain. Then this is the comparison between the mirror and also lens. This is the formula. Then this is the magnification formula. Better you revise that formula I given in like a column. Again I power of a lens, one more slide. I explained this one. this one I will explain what is mean by myopia. I think this one is clear. This one you can see, this is clear. Power of a lens. See what is mean by myopia. Myopia is nothing but short sightedness or near sightedness. To correct this one, which lens we will use? We will use the concave lens, because this one is very important. They may ask MCQ questions. Okay, myopia, short sightedness, near sightedness. This one in this I will explain what is meant by myopia, hypermetropia, presophobia, everything in detail. But here this one, remember we are learning lenses, no? That's why. Hypermetropia is nothing but long sightedness and far sightedness. Here to correct this one, we will use which lens we will use? We will use convex lens. Here the focal length is positive. Convex lens, the focal length is positive. Concave lens, the focal length is negative. This one already you know. In presophobia, here both the lens we will use, both concave and convex lens we use. A person maybe have both far sightedness and short sightedness. That person, he is suffering from presobiopia. Here both the lens also we will use, both concave and convex, bifocal length. Here I included one question. Lens is used to correct defect of vision termed as presobiopia. Bifocal length we will use, bifocal length lens we will use. Here I give an explanation also. The upper part of this bifocal lens is made up of concave. The upper part of a lens is made up of a, consider this one, then upper part it is made up of a concave lens, then the lower part of the lens it is made up of a convex. Therefore here bifocal, here also you will get one focal, here also you will get one more focal length. Not exactly here, somewhere here you will get the focal length. Focal length is nothing but the distance between the, here optical center we will consider, optical center to the focus. Are you following everyone? If you have the doubt, ask me. Then this one, last year HSTR question. If I write in the red pen, can you see here? Can you see here? Can I change the color or is it visible? This also little blur. A person uses a, because this one I took from the question paper, no? In the question paper itself it is like dim. A person uses a spectacle of power plus 2D. Then he is suffering from the eye defect, hypermetropia. I will explain this one. It is there in detail. I will explain. If it is not there, then I have one recorded class, mine only, I will send that one. I don't think I is there. The topic I is there in the JPSTR syllabus. I don't know whether it is there in HSTR or not. Even TET, then even TET, all the portions, even I made a recorded class. They are giving the recorded class only for TET students. Okay, if you are interested, only that I have my class only, recorded class, I will send that one. Only HSTR we are taking the live classes. Even JPSTR also we are not taking. Even TET classes also we are not taking. Okay, listen here. What is the answer? Radhika, yes. Cataract. Cataract means the layer formed on the retina. Those who are old people, like 60 of more than 50 years, like a thin layer, it will form on the lens. Not on the retina. No. Retina, it will be present on back side of your, not on the retina, on the lens. On the lens, a thin layer it will form. Retina, that is back side of the lens, we will call retina, but lens it will be front side. Don't worry, I will send my link, then you will come to know exactly what is the meaning. Okay, concentrate here. Then here, what is the correct answer for this one? Hypermetropia. We will use the, which type of lens we will use in the hypermetropia? Now only I told we will use the lens convex. To correct long sightedness we will use. That one only they are included here. Plus 2D, focal length is positive. Okay, power is positive. Shall we solve few problems based on the power? Based on the power, they will give the problem, they will include the problem. Why I am not going the topic I means that is very big topic. If I start explaining now, that one only it will take 15 to 20 minutes. I don't want to divert. I have to complete my portions. I will send recorded class, don't worry. Yes, if I write on this red pen, can you see properly? Can it visible? Can I change the color? This one is okay. Red only okay maybe. Tell me anyone which color is better. Okay, the power of a lens having a focal length, here they are given the focal length is 1 centimeter. Better convert focal length in terms of meter. Already I told power we will measure in terms of meter, not in centimeter. Convert 1 centimeter, it will be equal to how many meter? 0.01 meter, correct? Okay, Radhika, I am using red only. Then here power is nothing but 1 by F. Then 1 divided by 0.01 is nothing but 100 D, 100 diaphragm. Easy question. Very easy question. Okay, shall I move? Next one. Solve one more problem. Focal length of a convex lens 15 centimeter. Its power is, you know, focal length is 1 by power. This one they are given in 50 centimeter. Convert in terms of meter. 50 divided by 100 is nothing but how much? 0.5 meter. Always you have to remember power we will calculate in terms of meter. In the exam, don't substitute directly here. You can substitute, then later also you can convert, but better put it in meter only. 1 divided by power is how much? 0.5 meter is nothing but 2. 1 divided by 0.5 is how much? 2. Yes, Lakshmi Radhika is correct. Capital D, not small d. Radhika, capital D. Okay, next. Okay, start solving the problem questions fastly. Don't waste the time. Problems I have to solve, and also optic it is taking more time. I have to still dispersion is there, polarization is there, so much is there. Optic chapter is very big one. Even I have to do maths also. Okay. Uh, tomorrow also I will take. Tomorrow also I will take the class at 4 to 5 o'clock. Okay. Otherwise, I am not able to complete the portions. I have some other plan after June. Maybe up to June I can take live classes. Then after maybe I am planning some other thing, something I have to do. That's why better I will finish this one. Not I will not take 3 months. Within month or 1.5 month I have to. I am planning to finish the portions. That's why now onwards each and every day I will take the class. If some emergency means I will not take. Otherwise 99% I will take the class. Okay. Everyone are telling option C is the correct answer. Which type of image is produced otherwise formed in a concave lens? always virtual and also reduced in size. Very good. Radhika and Patil, only two they are given the answer. Huh? Okay, this one I will explain. Yes, concave lens produce an image that is always virtual and reduced in size, while this is in the case of concave lens. Then convex lens produce a virtual image when the object is in between focus and center of curvature. Curvature is nothing but center of curvature. Concave lens, almost it will form a virtual and reduced in image, but convex also it will form, only one exceptional case. Virtual image it will form when you place the object between the focus and center of curvature. Important point. They may include MCQ questions, okay, in which you will get one more case in the convex lens when the object you placed between the focus and, here I wrote only curvature, this is center of curvature C. Then what is the least distance of distance vision? This is very simple, 25 centimeter. If you are keeping the object near less than 25 centimeter, then you are not able to see the object properly, because you will see that is blur. Okay, at least distance between your eye and that object it will be more than 25 centimeter, minimum 25, but it should be, if it is more than it will be okay, at least minimum 25. Answer next question. Answer next one. Are you reading, everyone? Yesterday we received maybe everyone you got, how many you wrote a JPSTR? They sent the provisional list, no? Then maybe after that, maybe they will call even HSTR also. That's why better you prepare, start preparing, don't stop. Whenever they will, those who are missed, I know so many of you missed even JPSTR also, because why they allotted like district wise, I don't know. Even some district, even less marks also they got the job. In some other district, even they got more marks also, they lost the job. I don't know what is the aim of the government, huh? Those who are merit students, they lost the job. Those who are not, like luck, it is like luck, someone they got the job, someone they not got the job, but no one raised the voice, because in the notification also, yes, no, Radhika, no, only I told, maybe JPHTR they started it will complete soon, maybe after that one they will call. Okay, what is the answer for this? From which part of the lens the ray of light passes without deviation? Everyone are telling no. Option C, center of curvature, no. I will draw the diagram, then you will come to know. This is lens, sorry. Consider this is lens. Then at the optical center only, without deviation, the ray it will pass now. Then what is the correct answer? Option A, optical center. Next, light from the sun falling on a convex lens will converge at a point. Very easy question. At which point it will get converge? Yes, light from the sun falling on a convex lens will converge at a point. Very good. Who is telling focus? Annapurna. Very good, very good. At the focus. A is wrong. No, no, no. Means everyone you are not reading properly. Huh? Very easy questions. These are very easy questions. Read That's why revising the concept is very, very important. You will listen, then you will leave means everything you will forget. A diverging lens will produce which type of image you will get in the diverging lens? Easy question. Do it fast. Lakshmi is telling B. Remaining? Yes, easy question. Always it will form a virtual image. Yes. Next question. When the object moves closer to a concave lens, the image it will shift. Which side it will shift? When the object is moving near to the concave lens, then the image it will shift from which side? Away from the lens on the same side of the object, towards the lens, away from the lens on the other side of lens, first towards, then option D is wrong. Then next, towards the lens. Always the image, where if the object is moving towards the lens, image also it will form towards the lens only. Okay. Next one. Which of the following can make a parallel beam of light when light from a point source is incident on it? In which case you will get a parallel beam of light after hitting the mirror? Tell me. B. No. Reverse of B. Radhika is correct. Concave mirror as well as a convex lens. Next question. If the power of a lens is minus 4D, then it means the lens is substitute power of a lens, it will be 1 by f, then minus 1 by 4 into 100, correct now? Because you have to convert into, they are asking in terms of centimeter, here they are given in terms of meter. Always SI unit of D, diaphragm means always it will be in meter. Then convert in terms of centimeter, here they are given, otherwise you will check. Then here you will get minus 25 centimeter. Then which is your correct answer? Even to confuse you, they are given even meter also, centimeter also. Option C is the correct answer. Yes. Next question. Do it. How many questions I am solving MCQ problems? I am telling it is not at all sufficient. You have to solve more MCQ problems. At least each topic, at least 100 you have to solve. So you are having so many websites. From the website you search, you will get the question with answer also. Explanation sometime you will not get, but you will get question with answer. Yes, light waves travel from optically rarer medium to optically denser medium. Its velocity decreases because of change in, why the velocity it will get decrease? When we are talking about the wave, when we are talking about the rays, what we will consider? Frequency, wavelength, amplitude or phase? Wavelength. Very good. Option B is the correct answer. Wavelength we will consider. What is mean by wavelength? The successive difference between the Krafft and rough. That I will explain in the wave optics. Next, when light is refracted into a medium, its wavelength and frequency both it will increases. Its wavelength increases but frequency remains unchanged. Wavelength decreases but frequency remains unchanged. Its wavelength and frequency both decreases. What is the correct answer? When the light, when it will get refracted, what is the changes? Again, what you answered in the last question, remember? Option B is the correct answer. Wavelength increases but frequency it will be remain constant. Okay. Revise. Okay. Next one. Next problem. A convex lens of focal length 80 centimeter. Concave focal length. Concave, see, convex lens focal length is positive, means plus 80. For concave, focal length is negative, minus 50. Better write here only, then you will not get confused. Combined together, what will be the power of the combination? Power is nothing but 1 by f. You can add the focal length 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Then here, convert this one in terms of 1 is plus 80. Convert in terms of meter, 0.8 meter, correct now? Then this is f1. f2 it will be minus 50 is nothing but how much? 0.5, correct now? 0.5 minus 0.5 meter. Then substitute here, divided by 0.8 minus 0.5. Don't neglect minus sign here. You will get solve, you will get minus 0.75 D. This you can simplify later, you will get 0.75. Minus, Annapurna, minus. When you take LCM, 0.80 is the bigger one, no? You will get minus sign, bigger one. Okay, here you have to remember the focal length of a convex lens is positive, focal length of a concave lens is negative. Then focal length you can add. Okay, then you will get. Next. Two thin lenses of one focal length is plus 60. Oh, they are given here. They are not mentioned whether it is a concave or convex. But here they are given plus or minus. Both also it will be in centimeter. Are placed in contact the combined focal length. Here they are asking only the focal length. Directly they are asking the focal length, combined focal length. Focal length also always consider the reciprocal. Directly you can't add the focal length like f1 plus f2. No, this is the formula. Consider the reciprocal. Then this one is 1 by 60 minus 20. Why minus? Okay. Here plus, here minus 20. Then take LCM, you will get minus 30 centimeter. Take LCM and solve, you will get minus 30. F it will be minus 30 centimeter. Solve homework. I wrote the answer. You can solve that one. Next question is important. Next one I will explain in detail. Next one. A convex lens is to be used to throw a magnified image of an object on a screen 10 meter from the lens. If the magnification is to be 19, magnification value they are given 19, then what is the focal length? F they are asking here. Can you see I am using red pen? I have to prepare this one very light slide. Otherwise, light means it will appear very dark. Now I can't change the slide color. I think everyone you can see. M it will be 19. F you have to calculate. Then you know the formula. M is equal to V by U 19. Then V is they are given magnified image of an object on a screen 10 meter. 10 meter divided by U. U it will be 10 divided by 90. You can ask, ma'am, here see always when you will get a magnified image normally we will get most of the time in the convex lens. Magnified image we will get backside of the mirror. Backside of the mirror means V it will be positive, correct? No, V it will be positive in the backside of the mirror, therefore plus 10m. Always remember in the case of a convex lens, in which case you will get the magnified image, enlarged image you will get. That image it will be backside of the mirror. But then use the formula, 1 by f it will be equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by f you have to calculate. Then 1 by v is nothing but 1 by 10 minus, here minus sign is there. See here, whether in the case of a lens or mirror, in the case of a lens or mirror, always the object we will place in front of the mirror, means always u it will be negative. Here in the formula also negative is there, even though here you got the u value positive, here you have to consider negative. Understood everyone? Listen here. Here you got u, otherwise here only you can change the minus sign, because always whether you are considering the mirror or lens, everything, always you are keeping the object in front of the mirror or in front of the lens. Then according to our sign convention, u it will be always negative. Then here already in the formula I am having one minus sign. Then here because the u is negative, one more. Both it will become positive. 1 by f it will be 1 by 10 plus 10 by 19. Take the LCM and solve, you will get 2. 10 by, oh here we have to take the reciprocal now. Sorry, I will make a change here. We have to take the reciprocal here. See here, u value is this one. Then 1 by u value is what? U value is this one. Then 1 by u, it will be reciprocal. 19 divided by 10. Here minus 19 divided by 10. Then 19 by 10. Then here 10, 20. Then 0, 0 get cancelled. Then 1 by f, it will be 2, means f it will be equal to 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5 meter. Understood everyone here why I consider minus sign? Understood? Okay, then one more questions are there, two more, then I will stop. Okay, what is the power of a lens? Reciprocal of f, easy question. Then next one more problem. If the power of a lens is minus 2d, then what is its focal length? Power they are given minus 2d, then what is the focal length? Power it will be 1 by f, then f it will be 1 by p is minus 1 by 2 is nothing but minus 0.5 meter. Convert this one in centimeter is nothing but minus 50 centimeter. Okay, I have 10 more minutes more, but I can't start the new concept now because it will take time. Tomorrow I will I will see I will take maths class or physics class, because yesterday also I did two physics, today also two physics. I have to concentrate even maths also, no? Maths almost linear equation everything I completed. I will give the notes, PDF notes also I sent all the notes. Everyone received PDF notes, linear equation. Then I have to start the next chapter in the maths. Still optics is not completed, still dispersion is there, polarization is there, so much is there in the optics. This is the very big chapter, even I can't go even fast also, otherwise you will get confused. Hmm? Okay, ask me if you have any doubt. Tomorrow exactly 4 to 5 o'clock. Tomorrow is the regular general classes, that's why I can't take the class after 5 o'clock. At least 4 to 5 one class I can take. Prema, tomorrow 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. Tomorrow 4 p.m. Okay, because every day I have to take the class, otherwise I can't finish the portions. Even I'm explaining, I am giving the notes, even I am solving MCQ problems, MCQ questions with problems. That's why I need more time compared to other subject like maths and science core subject. We need more time. That's why I started taking each and every day. At least I missed 1 week, no? That's why I have to take more classes. Any doubt you have, you can ask me in the next class also. If you have, you ask now. At least now I am free 2 minutes. Start reading. Don't wait for the notification only. Start reading. And also, if you are, don't think, if you are not having like economically you have to do the job, not like that. Those who are like your intention, definitely you will get, you have to get the job, means at least 6 months or 1 year you have to sit in your home, you have to read. Those who are going to the school, they can also manage, but what will happen if you go to school, otherwise some private schools, I know private school we have so many work, even school hours we will not get the time to read. At least better once you come back to home, if you have more time, better focus on studies. Those who are not working, better read more. hmm? More hours spend your time for solving the problem, solving MCQ questions. hmm? Definitely they will call, even PU lectures also. Anyone wrote CTET exam yesterday? Even result came. When when they send the notification also, I informed you CTET exams is conducting. Anyone wrote CTET? If you cleared your CTET exam, then you can join your any CBSE schools. Compared to state schools, CBSE and ICSE schools, they will give good salary. Like starting only they will give 32, at least 30 they will give. But state schools, I don't think they will give that much of salary. But CBSE, Kendriya Vidyalaya, everyone. But you have to compulsory, you have to pass CTET exam, then only they will recruit. Otherwise, they will take, but you can't demand for more salary. Hmm? If you clear TET, CTET, then normally schools they will prefer that candidates only. Okay, I think no one have the doubt. Then I can. Okay, thank you everyone. We will meet in the next class.